Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. My beloved city of Jakarta, first and foremost, let us offer our praise and gratitude to Almighty God, because it is by His blessings and mercy that we are able to gather here today, united with a common purpose, to address the challenges of heavy rainfall during the rainy seasons in Jakarta, the risk of flooding, and the measures we must take to protect our beloved city and its people. Ladies and gentlemen, as well known, Jakarta is raining season from the end of its year through the beginning of the next, with peak rainfall generally occurring between December and February. According to Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency, rainfall in Jakarta can reach over 300 millimeters per month during the peak period. This high intensity of rainfall is not only caused by local precipitation in Jakarta, but also by water flow from upstream rivers such as Ciliwung, Cisadane, and Krukut, as well as tidal surge and coastal flooding, or what we commonly call banjirop. In the northern part of Jakarta, the combination of extreme rainfall, upstream river discharge, and tidal flooding poses a significant risk for Jakarta, a city that has historically been vulnerable to inundation. Therefore, anticipation and prevention are crucial to minimize the impact of flooding on our citizens. The Jakarta provincial government has implemented various programs and strategies to reduce the risk of floodings. First, there is drainage and river normalization. We continue dredging and revitalize rivers, canals, drainage system to improve water flow and reduce the risk of overflow during heavy rain. 2. There is reservoirs, retention basins, and pump station. We are optimizing water storage and pumping system across the city to quickly manage rising water levels. Third, there is green infrastructure and water absorption. Through urban greening, infiltration wells, and biofor absorption system, we aim to increase Jakarta's ability to absorb rainwater naturally. 4. Coordination with upstream regions. Flood management in Jakarta is not only a local issue. We are actively working with the regional government in Bogor, Depok, and other upstream areas to manage river flows and prevent sudden water surge. And last but not least, there is public awareness and early warning system. We have strengthened early warning dissemination via mobile application, social media, and neighborhood-based alert system to ensure residents receive timely information. Even with the best prevention measures, there may be times when flooding cannot be fully avoided due to extreme weather conditions. Therefore, we must fully be prepared with effective mitigation strategies, evacuation plans, and safe shelters. The provincial government has prepared temporary shelters equipped with proper sanitation, food supplies, and health service to accommodate residents from flood-prone areas. Rapid response and rescue teams. We have mobilized our disaster response unit, firefighters, and community volunteers to assist in evacuation and deliver essential supplies quickly. Health and safety measures. Medical team will provide preventive measures against waterborne disease, ensuring the safety and health of our citizens during supplies and after the flood. Insurance and social assistance. For residents severely affected by flooding, the government provides health coverage, post-disaster assistance, and access to micro-insurance program to reduce economic hardship. Ladies and gentlemen, flood prevention and mitigation in Jakarta can only be achieved by the government alone. It requires participation of every citizen. We need to work together as one team by keeping our environment clean and free of litter, so that drainage channels and rivers remain clear, by following early warning alerts and cooperating during evacuation if necessary, by participating in community preparedness program and supporting one another in time of crisis. When government and society move hand in hand, we create a resilient city, capable not only of responding to natural disaster, but also of recovering quickly and growing stronger after every challenges. Beloved citizens of Jakarta, our city is facing a real challenges, as climate change has increased the intensity and unpredictability of rainfall. But with stronger commitment, good planning, and public cooperation, we can overcome these challenges together. I assure you that Jakarta provincial government is fully committed to protecting every citizen, providing swift disaster response when emergency occurs, and ensuring health, safety, and recovery support for all affected residents. Food, flood, and prevention and mitigation cannot be achieved by the government alone. The success of all these programs depends on active participation from every citizen of Jakarta. Jakarta is a great city, and like every great city, it faces challenges. Flooding is one of our biggest tasks, but it is also an opportunity to unite, to innovate, and to show that we can protect each other. I promise the Jakarta provincial government will continue to protect the city. To innovate and to show that we can protect each other. I promise Jakarta provincial government will continue to respond swiftly and effectively to emergency and ensure recovery assistance, healthcare, and insurance for those affected. Together, we can transform our city into model of urban resilience, a Jakarta that stands strong against climate challenge while ensuring the safety and well-being of its people. I invite our residents to keep the city clean, dispose of water properly, because clogged drains are one of the main causes of urban flooding. Support neighborhood flood programs, participate in gotong royong, cleaning efforts, and community drills. Embrace green initiative, plant trees, create small gardens, and harvest rainwater at home. Be proactive and vigilant. Follow flood alerts, prepare emergency kits, and assist neighbors during evacuation. Ladies and gentlemen, flooding has long been a challenge for Jakarta, but I believe that every challenge is an opportunity to unite, to innovate, and to protect one another. I promise you this, Jakarta provincial government will never stop working to ensure safety, to respond swiftly to every emergency, and to help every affected family recover with dignity. Together, let us build Jakarta city that is resilient, adaptive, and safe for all generations. Jakarta that can stand strong against the test of nature and continue to thrive as the proud capital of Indonesia. Thank you for your attention. I am Ricardo Tengkau, the government of the city of Jakarta. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon us all, and thank you for your attention.